Well, Clover's a platform. We've been very fortunate. We have fabulous client take on it, both very small clients up to mid-sized clients. So it has really established itself as a dominant platform in the industry.
For small and medium-sized companies still, and we
Yes.
do certainly see them a lot more. I can believe your 1 million sales number, but do you think you can crack those big retailers that at the moment are still committed to the traditional payment systems?
Well, I think the big retailers have embedded systems. They're very large systems. Clover has the ability to connect to that large system set. It's a very open platform. But the small and medium-sized market is very large and has a lot of opportunity. Bringing software as a service to them is one of Clover's dominant features.
Sorry. I was going to say, when we think of the level of disruption so far in the broader banking industry from challenges, do you think that level of disruption has already peaked? There might still be a lot of gains for someone like you to make, but given that the big banks are now offering all sorts of similar technological advances, do you think that the disruptors have peaked in terms of?
Well, for us, banks are our partners. Wells Fargo, Bank of America, PNC, SunTrust, they're all distribution partners for our product set and very close alliances. So we are here to help banks and help their clients and build embedded relationships with them. And I think there's a lot of runway for everybody here.
I mean, you've got such a unique window here into how people are spending. 1.9 trillion in global payment volumes, almost 10% of US GDP. So do you expect the strength that we're seeing in consumer spending to continue?
I think strength is strong. We've seen it strong. We see consumers out in force. And, you know, remember, we have it in the U.S., and then we're a big global player. You have a lot of adoption from cash to card still happening. So I think the consumer looks very strong to us. In the U.S., we continue to see that strength.
You get a lot of access to data in that regard, people's payment data and bank balances and the like. How closely do you protect that data? And do you think the likes of Facebook and Google are doing enough to protect their own client data?
Look, I'm not thinking about what they're doing. I stay very focused on us protecting the data we have. Obviously, everything's anonymized for us. And although we see trends, never do we give up any individual information.